Hello, and hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to look at this 3-lag LED track light. The model number is 203998A, and it only uses 18 watts. They're integrated. Here you have the instructions. If you've never done this before, it's okay. It's not that hard. So I like the brushed nickel finish because you don't have that very shiny look. The LEDs are underneath here. There they are. And I don't think you can replace that. I mean, maybe you can, but I probably just recommend taking the whole thing and just returning it. It has a 5-year warranty, so you are covered. So it swivels. From side to side, back and forth. Same thing with the others. It's a warm white color, so it's not that blue color, it's the yellowish color. It's a 3000 warm white color. So I'm taking these 2 screws off because I'm taking the back off. This is what you're gonna install in your socket, your light socket. And I see that you have your screws here and your wires. The ground. So you'll use these screws to screw this into your socket. Then you'll put the wires through. You'll put them together. And then put this back as just the way I took it off. And that is it. This measures 22.5 inches. This is about 5 inches. Your socket is going to be very standard at 4 inches. So if you have at the tallest measurement, it's about 8 inches. And the lights themselves are 2 3/4. Enjoy.